Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Want to give a huge shout out to a new company here on Team My Project 13, Torras. Man, I am stoked to be able to have the opportunity to represent. Looking forward to working with this company for quite some time. They sent this packaging, which I don't know everything that's inside of it. I know we have a case, but I'm sure there's going to be some extras for my Z Fold 7. And I got to tell you, that is a very, very nice presentation. Just look at that. Wow. And we got some information on the back. And I'm going to take time to read this portion of information on the back, just so we can get to know Torras as a company a little bit better. Torras is an innovative and high-quality consumer electronics and gadgets brand. We strive to constantly shatter the ordinary and create a high-quality technology lifestyle. Our goal is to assist users and fully engage in every aspect of life and enabling them to unleash their full potential at any time and any place. Since 2012, Torras has been serving over 100 million people in more than 148 regions with our products and services. And that right there, folks, is a huge thumbs up. Okay, really quick. On the outside, you got this soft matte texture. Feels really, really premium. You got the 360 rotating kickstand, which is also a magnet for MagSafe. Plenty of lip that's going to surround the cameras to protect those shooters so you can take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. Got some corner protection. And you got hinge protection, which has this ridged texture design that is definitely grippy. The Torras brand name right there. T for Torras. There's where you have the magnetic ring. Soft matte texture. Wow, that is just really, really nice, folks. I gotta tell you, just super premium. Yeah, you're gonna get a little bit of fingerprints, especially if you have oily hands. So just carry a little microcloth or a big one like this and give her a nice wipe down every once in a while. Okay, so we do have alcohol prep wipe, dust absorbers, and a microcloth if you're going to want to use one of two screen protectors that are inside the packaging. So we got this frame that actually has an area to hold a stylus. Now I have a stylus that came from a different company, but I'm curious to see. Yeah, that'll actually work. So you can pick a stylus up over at Amazon, somewhere on the web. It works really, really well. when I'm in tablet mode with my Z Fold 7. So I'm just going to leave that there. That is really, really nice. I'm digging that. You got the thinnest part of the case right here. And if you have extra adhesive strips, you can use those if you would like to. If you're going to utilize the screen protector, that's actually going to keep the thinner part of the frame in place. It is plastic. It's got that matte texture all the way around. There's no TPU whatsoever as far as materials with the frame. All hard plastic polycarbonate material. Okay, so what I want to do is actually put on the screen protector. I gotta make sure that I get it on there as perfect as possible. So I'm gonna get set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is clean off the display of my Z Fold 7. Then I'm going to place the frame over the top and I'm gonna use the inside of the frame as a guide. So I'm going to speed up the video a little bit, throw some music in for your entertainment, and then we'll get a good look at how the install went, and we'll go through the rest of the review with the O-Stand 360 magnetic case from Torras. Everything looks great. So using the frame of the case is definitely going to help keep that tempered glass screen protector perfectly aligned with your cover display. That right there, folks, is really nice. You're going to have a little cutout there for the front facing camera. Got a recessed area up top for the combo earpiece and speaker. All the way up top, you're going to have a cutout for your speaker and a couple little cutouts for the two top mics. At the bottom, a couple little cutouts there for the bottom mics. Open cutout there for the USB Type-C charging port, and another cutout there for your bottom speaker. Very dark, hard to see those areas, but well, you can kind of see right in there. I'm at 2x zoom, that way you can actually see the mics there and the speaker. And up top, you can see those cutouts are perfect. Yeah, that is really, really good to see. All right, let's go back out. Wow. That feels solid, folks. That feels tough, and yet it feels very elegant and premium with that soft matte texture on the back. Look at that lip action surrounding the cameras there. Got a little bit of depth. Well, actually, that's a lot of depth circling around the flash area. When setting down on a rough surface is a little bit rough, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, you could purchase some camera glass lens protectors, but definitely you got a lot of protection back there on the front. A lot of lip action plus the tempered glass screen protector. You're going to be good on a flat surface a little bit rough, and if the surface is really, really rough. This isn't a super minimalistic case, but it's not a rugged case. It's right in between. And again, it feels really, really good. I like the extra stylus area here that holds the stylus in place. It just gives you a little more substantial feel in hand. All right, let's go ahead and test out the fingerprint reader. You are going to have to tilt your finger to get in there, but that right there was very simple to turn on the cover display. As far as the volume rocker, just tilt your finger a little, and there you go. You can take out the stylus, makes it a little easier to get into that area. But trust me, you can make it work with the stylus. this is going to act as a lip as well. So you can put your thumb right in there, your other thumb down here, and go into your tablet mode here with your Z Fold 7. And you're definitely going to have a lot of protection all the way around. This area is open here, but you're going to have plenty of protection right up in here with all of this material and right down in here as well. If you were to set it down on a flat surface, you'll be able to see a gap right in there. That material right in here and right in here, protecting the power button, fingerprint reader, and volume rocker. 360 spin kickstand. You can go into portrait mode. Let's turn on the cover display there, or landscape mode. And you can turn the kickstand that way. Again, that rotation, the ability to rotate the kickstand, that's a thumbs up, folks. When you're in tablet mode, that's where you're going to have to play around with the kickstand and see what works. When you're in portrait mode, not so much. Okay, but when you're landscape mode, that's going to work a little bit better there. Okay, so let's the early morning vlog, folks. Please watch the early morning vlog. That's where I share a lot of information, updates on any smartphone I'm reviewing. Look at that. That's nice. Well, we can go that route. Okay, again, you just have to play with the kickstand. Okay. Yeah, I am digging it. Now, as far as wireless charging, and because you have that lip action, wireless charging is going to work, but that might get in the way, so you might have to rotate your Z Fold 7 with the case to find the sweet spot. So, bam, look at that. Didn't even have to do all of that. Perfect. And here I have my Anker magnetic wireless charging pad. Boom, that's what I'm talking about. Bam.
Oh, yeah.
I want to see how strong the magnetic attraction is. A little bit of a spin there and a little bit of a shake. And I got to tell you, that right there, folks, is a magnetic attraction that I want to see. And I know you want to see as well. So, yeah, that is nice. That is really, really nice. All right. Wow, that is really strong. Kickstand. Lip action on the back. Soft matte texture. Premium feel. Premium look. Digging the design, the form factor back here. On the front, the same. Lots of protection, lots of lip. Got the recessed area there for that combo earpiece and speaker. All cutouts will be precised. Folks, you're just going to have to do your part as well. Torras is giving you plenty to work with. And I always say this in every video. You got to hold on with a firm grip. When you start getting lazy, you're going to drop your Z Fold 7. Okay? You don't want that to happen. And again, you can utilize a stylus. Doesn't come in the box, but you can purchase many of them online. Amazon is where typically most of you go. So yeah, something to consider. I love it.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
And you get that tempered glass screen protector. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. All the information to purchase will be in the description area. Torras, thank you so much and welcome. God bless you all. Peace.